Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to prepare roti wrap using very less ingredients. So let's get started. For making roti wrap, you will need chopped capsicum, chopped onion and chopped tomato, some sliced onion for topping purposes. Then you'll need mayonnaise, tomato ketchup, green chili sauce, cheese slices, and in spices you'll require oregano, black pepper and salt. And of course, if you are making roti wrap, so we'll require a cooked chapati. It should be pre-cooked chapati, that will taste better, but keep in mind that it should not be overcooked. Okay guys, so let's get started. We are taking a chapati and first of all, we'll spread tomato ketchup on it. Make sure that you do not use much of tomato ketchup because you are using tomato as well. Then you'll require green chili sauce spread. Okay, so now let's spread it evenly on the chapati. Make sure all the corners are properly covered with the sauces. Fine, it looks nice. Then we'll take mayonnaise. In a bowl. We'll add tomato ketchup to it. And we'll add our chopped vegetables in this mixture. The sliced ones are for topping, so do not add them. In this, we'll add salt as per taste. Do not add much of it because sauces already have a good quantity of salt in them. A bit of black pepper. And of course, oregano. Lots and lots of oregano for your taste. So we'll mix this properly. The mixture seems quite yummy and this mixture needs to be spread over the roti. Spread it all throughout the roti. Smells great. Then we'll take cheese slices and add cheese slices on the top of this mixture. If you remember, we had some sliced onion which we'll use for topping. So now gently wrap it around. You can see it seems very tasty. We'll put it in the grill machine and let it grill for about 2 minutes. I think 2 minutes will be more than enough for this. Keep an eye on it. It's not done yet. Till the light turns green, we'll let it sit in there. Okay, I can hear the cheese spreading in it. About to be cooked, just few seconds more. Okay guys, I think our wrap is all done. Be careful while taking it out because it can be hot. This is very easy and quick recipe which you all can try at home and enjoy. Do let us know in the comment section after cooking it at home. Thank you.